I'm not sure that fun is the right word for it. I think that what I experienced was much more intense than what I think we associate with fun usually, which implies something frivolous. And yes, I had a lot of laughter and beautiful connection with people, but the weight of the process and the issues that we uncover in ourselves and hold space for with others. Um, so I think it's a very different kind of fun. It's something that um, sits much deeper in the body. I'm walking out of here changed, and I don't think that that's just like one moment to another moment. I think that the lessons that I and my experiences here will play out in my life as I come to terms with some of the things that I've learned, some of the experiences that I've had. I already see my ability to identify in myself patterns that are driven by my ego, and also see that in others and have more, I'm going to say, charity to those feelings that arise that are very understandable. And I think that's probably the most profound lesson, that I am going to leave here more adept at swimming through life. I think that if you are contemplating doing something like this, I would suggest that you are somebody who is ready to take a big step forward in yourself. And that means facing demons, but also wrestling with those demons. And you must be very comfortable in your body and in your mind and willing to walk to the edge and look over the edge and know that um, although the facilitators provide a beautiful container, that you also have to trust the other people on a similarly challenging journey to hold you there and help you get through it.